Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going full cozy mode. Tea, blankets, and all the warm, fuzzy vibes. I'm sharing my top 10 comfort teas, the blends I reach for when I need to unwind, de-stress, or just escape for a bit. So grab your favorite mug, fill it up, and let's dive into the world of soul-soothing teas together. First up, the classic, chamomile. This gentle herbal tea has been cherished for centuries, and for good reason. Its delicate daisy-like flowers are instantly recognizable, and the aroma alone can start to put your mind at ease. Chamomile is one of those timeless remedies that's been passed down through generations, loved for its soothing properties and subtle floral taste. If calm had a flavor, this would be it. It's gentle, floral, and never bitter. The golden hue of chamomile tea is like liquid sunshine, and every sip feels like a warm hug. Whether you're curled up on the couch or winding down after a hectic day, chamomile has a way of making everything feel a little softer, a little quieter, perfect for winding down after a long day. I love it with a touch of honey. It's like instant relaxation in a cup. The natural sweetness of honey pairs beautifully with chamomile's floral notes, creating a comforting drink that soothes both body and mind. Some people even add a slice of lemon for a gentle citrus twist, but honestly, chamomile shines all on its own. Chamomile is my go-to when my mind won't stop racing, or I need to decompress before bed. It's approachable, comforting, and a must-have for anyone new to herbal teas. There's a reason it's often recommended as a natural sleep aid. Its calming effects are legendary. Just the ritual of brewing a cup can signal to your brain that it's time to slow down and let go of the day's worries. Just steep, sip, and feel your stress melt away. It's not flashy, but it's always there when you need it. Chamomile is like that reliable friend who never lets you down. Always ready to help you unwind, no matter what kind of day you've had. It's perfect for quiet moments alone, or sharing with someone you care about. Chamomile, the ultimate, I'm done with today tea. Whether you're looking to relax, sleep better, or just enjoy a peaceful moment, chamomile is a simple pleasure that never goes out of style. So next time you need a break, reach for chamomile, and let its gentle magic work wonders. Next up, let's talk about peppermint tea, a true refresh for your senses and a classic favorite for so many people around the world. Just the aroma alone can wake you up and put a smile on your face. The moment you steep those vibrant green leaves, your kitchen fills with a cool, invigorating scent that's instantly uplifting. Peppermint tea is cool, minty, and incredibly soothing, especially after a heavy meal or when you're feeling sluggish. It's the kind of drink that feels like a gentle reset button for your mind and body. Whether you're winding down after dinner or need a midday pick-me-up, peppermint tea is always a good idea. The tingle you feel on your tongue is real, and it's not just for show, it's a sign of peppermint's natural oils at work. These oils are fantastic for digestion, helping to ease bloating and discomfort, and they're also known for clearing your head, making you feel more alert and focused. If you're feeling stressed, anxious, or even a little stuffy from a cold, just inhale the steam from a hot mug of peppermint tea. The menthol in peppermint helps open up your airways, so you can breathe easier and feel more relaxed. It's like a mini spa treatment, right in your own home. And here's the best part. Peppermint tea is delicious both hot and iced. On a chilly day, a steaming cup will warm you up from the inside out. When it's hot outside, pour it over ice with a sprig of fresh mint for a crisp, clean pick-me-up that's totally caffeine-free so it won't mess with your sleep. Think of peppermint tea as a spa day for your insides. It soothes your stomach, calms your nerves, and gives you a moment of peace in a busy day. Light a candle, wrap yourself in a soft towel, and sip slowly. It's self-care in a cup. Whether you're starting your morning, taking a break from work, or winding down at night, peppermint tea is like a system reboot you didn't know you needed. It helps you feel refreshed, recharged, and ready to take on whatever comes next. So, next time you're craving a fresh start, or just need a little boost, brew yourself a cup of peppermint tea, you'll be amazed at how something so simple can make you feel so good, inside and out. Now for something truly dreamy, lavender tea. Just the thought of it conjures up images of rolling purple fields and gentle breezes. Lavender has been cherished for centuries, not just for its beauty, but for its calming properties. When you brew a cup, you're not just making tea, you're creating a little ritual of self-care, a moment to pause and breathe. The aroma alone is enough to set the mood for relaxation. It's like a spa in a cup. As the steam rises, it fills the air with a soothing floral scent that instantly calms your senses. It's the kind of fragrance that makes you want to close your eyes and just be present, letting the worries of the day melt away. The flavor is floral and a bit woody, unique but so calming once you get used to it. It's not your typical herbal tea. There's a gentle earthiness beneath the blossoms, a subtle sweetness that lingers on your tongue. Each sip feels like a gentle hug, wrapping you in comfort. I save this one for my bedtime routines. It's my signal to wind down and unplug. There's something special about sipping lavender tea in a cozy room, maybe with a good book or soft music playing in the background. It's a gentle nudge to your mind and body that it's time to let go of the day. Lavender tea is like aromatherapy and a cozy drink all in one. The combination of the warm mug in your hands and the calming scent in the air is pure comfort. It's a simple pleasure, but one that can make a big difference in how you feel. If you struggle to turn your brain off at night, this is your new ritual. Try pairing it with a few minutes of journaling or quiet reflection. The gentle effects of lavender can help ease tension and quiet racing thoughts, making it easier to drift off to sleep. It's been used for centuries for anxiety and insomnia, and it works. People have turned to lavender for generations, trusting in its natural ability to soothe nerves and promote restful sleep. It's a tradition that stood the test of time, and for good reason. So if you're searching for a gentle, natural way to unwind, lavender tea might just be your ticket to the sleep zone. Give it a try, and let yourself drift into a peaceful night's rest. Lemon balm is the underrated mood booster of the tea world. It's fresh, gently citrusy, and part of the mint family. Think sunshine in a mug. I reach for it on gloomy days or when I need a little optimism. It's calming without making you sleepy, perfect before a nerve-wracking event. Naturally sweet, no sugar needed, just a slice of lemon if you want. Lemon balm, the cheerful, supportive friend you didn't know you needed. Try it for a gentle lift and a clear mind. Rooibos, my heart's favorite. Naturally caffeine-free, rich and earthy with hints of vanilla and honey. It's the black tea alternative for evenings, with zero bitterness. Packed with antioxidants, it's both healthy and delicious. I love it as a tea latte with oat milk and a touch of maple syrup. Pure comfort. Rooibos is grounding, centering, and perfect for chilly nights. It's versatile, hydrating, and feels like a warm hug. If you haven't tried it, you're missing out on top-tier comfort. Rooibos, the unsung hero of cozy teas. Ginger tea is the powerhouse, spicy, warming, and deeply comforting. It's my go-to for upset stomachs, colds, or when I need to feel strong. Fresh ginger, lemon, and honey make the ultimate wellness potion. The heat soothes sore throats and warms you from the inside out. It's intense, but if you like a little spice, you'll love it. Ginger tea, tough love in a mug. Always ready to help you bounce back. Keep it handy for those days you need a boost. Green tea isn't just for productivity, it's comfort in calm, focused energy. I love Japanese sencha or genmaicha for their nutty, grassy flavors. The L-theanine in green tea promotes relaxation without drowsiness. It's my choice when I need to be calm, but still get things done. Brewing it right is a ritual. Cooler water, short steep, a moment to slow down. Green tea, the gentle, responsible sibling that helps you handle your day. Perfect for a mindful mid-morning reset. Jasmine tea is pure elegance, green tea scented with jasmine blossoms. The aroma is intoxicating, floral, and instantly lifts your mood. It's delicate but present, with a sweet, harmonious flavor. Jasmine tea is my go-to for peaceful breaks and quiet reflection. The L-theanine keeps you calm and alert, while the jasmine soothes your mind. It's like a mini escape to a serene garden, no matter where you are. Jasmine, the floral daydream in your cup. Meet honeybush, rooibos's sweeter cousin. Naturally caffeine-free, it tastes like honey and flowers, with zero added sugar. It's my dessert tea, perfect for satisfying sweet cravings without guilt. Honeybush is soothing, gentle, and packed with antioxidants. It's especially comforting when you're under the weather or winding down at night. Sweet, warm, and impossible not to love. Honeybush, the ultimate cozy treat. Last up, valerian root, the heavy hitter for sleep. The taste is intense, earthy, and definitely an acquired one. I usually drink it in blends with chamomile or lavender to mellow it out. You don't drink valerian for the flavor, you drink it for the knockout effect. It's my emergency tea for nights when sleep just won't come. Valerian increases GABA in your brain, helping you truly power down. Only drink it when you're ready for bed. This is serious sleep support. Valerian, the final boss of comfort teas. That's my top 10 comfort teas. Each one a little moment of cozy in a cup. Let me know your favorites in the comments, and if I missed any must-try blends. Thanks for hanging out and sipping with me. Don't forget to subscribe for more cozy content. Stay hydrated, stay cozy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Total word count. Offers 1695 words.